Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life, and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. There's nothing I won't do. When you found me charge, I'm coming to fight and swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
Real love, now I see you, yeah, you know I do, to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am.
This is probably as clean as I'm gonna get it. I might do a little bit more. Definitely not worried about the back of it because you don't ever see. But overall, it came out a hell of a lot cleaner than it was, that's for sure. I might clean up this stuff a little bit more, but we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna get this manifold, exhaust manifold on here. If you're curious what the torque specs are, here's the chart for the 92 to 95 D16Z6. And it looks like gonna be 23 foot-pounds. Here's the exhaust manifold. I don't know if I want to paint this or not because I plan on getting some aftermarket headers. But I don't know. Anyways, I'll get back with you in just a second. Okay, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up once I get the right damn size. Big guns.
Just give me a sign if you wanna come. Just give me a sign. I don't wanna front, I just
I'm not even gonna worry about cleaning it up. I'm just gonna respray it really quick, lightly, just to make it look a little better. Hold up for a little bit until I get my headers that I want. This is what I always use for painting high heat stuff. To me, it holds up a little better than that automotive one. Maybe because it's for grills and stuff, I don't know, but it tends to hold up a little better.
you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything you choose, and I would choose you, babe. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. mind. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come through. Oh yeah.
I'm barely breathing, trapped in this feeling. I wake up screaming your name, but I'm only dreaming. Wishing it's fading. I don't know why, I'm trying to try. Tell myself what I should know. You run away, nothing to say, but I simply can't let you go. Can't let you go.
I know I said I was going to record everything, but I got impatient. It's 3 in the morning, and I just couldn't help it. I had to get it done. But here's the Z6. I got most of it resealed up, new timing belt, water pump, front main seal, valve cover gasket. Still got to do the intake side, exhaust side, but if everything goes as planned, when I get up in the morning, we'll be able to get this finished and hopefully get the other motor out of the car either tomorrow or the coming weekend. But just a little quick update. I just wanted to show what I've gotten done so far.
Maybe it's later. I don't know why. I'm trying to try. Tell myself what I should know. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
New plugs, new wires, everything's refreshened up. Basically ready to go into the car. Still gotta do the hoses. And actually, still gotta redo that oil pan. That's the last thing, and hopefully this weekend I can start putting it in the car.
Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say